Welcome back to TechKidFX for another Polygon Matic price prediction update, and in this video I'll be giving you the latest developments that have been happening here on the Polygon Matic chart, which at the time of this recording we are trading below the 20-day MA here on the 4-hour chart, which is now acting as resistance. We have also lost a significant high at around the $1.3 mark. We have also continued to obey the Elliot structures, where I still believe that whatever we are seeing over here is that bounce to the upside in the formation of this wave 3. We also have a chart pattern that is in formation over here, which is an ascending channel, which at the time of this recording has given us a break to the lower side, but we have continued to hold above a key area of support at around the $1.1721 mark. And before I get further into the technical analysis and also give you the next price targets for Polygon Matic, first give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership. And allow me to continue with the video here on the 4-hour chart by first giving you a quick recap of what has been happening, where you can see that after making our low at around the $0.74 mark, we started a massive bounce to the upside in a move that has been obeying the Elliot structures, where you can see that we saw this bounce to the upside, making a peak at around the $1.05 mark in what I'm terming as that first wave to the upside. And after seeing the formation of that wave 1 to the upside, we started a corrective structure where we saw the low for that second wave to the lower side. And after seeing the low for this second wave, we started another massive bounce to the upside in the formation of this wave 3, and sketching out a minimum target area to the upside in the formation of that wave 3 by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave. That gives me a minimum target area to the upside in the formation of that wave 3 at the fib level 1.618, and that is at around the $1.41182 mark, and that is the minimum that I'm expecting that higher Elliot wave come through to the upside to do. And at the moment, we have not yet fully maximized our target area to the upside in the formation of that wave 3. Rather, we have made our peak at around the $1.3 mark, meaning we have not yet fully maximized our target areas to the upside in the formation of that wave 3. And at the moment of this recording, we have seen a break out of this ascending channel that we have over here to the lower side. And after seeing the breakout to the lower side, whatever we can expect next over here is maybe a retest of the lower side of the channel before we continue pushing even lower. And I'll be expecting the key area of support at around the $1.17 mark to hold, so that the buyers can be able to get in once more in the market to continue pushing the price even higher, give us a break above the $1.3 mark, which is a significant high that we need to manage to break above for us to fully maximize our target areas to the upside in the formation of that wave 3. But in case we lose the $1.17 mark, which is a very significant key area of support, then I'll be watching our next support line at around the $1.05 mark here on the worst case scenarios. And in case that key area of support also gives us support and we are able to hold above it, then I'll be expecting a massive bounce to the upside in case such a move plays out here on the Polygon Matic chart. But we also need to have in mind that from the prices that we are trading within, the buyers can be able to get aggressive, continue pushing the price of Polygon Matic even higher, manage to get back into the channel once more. And in case such a move plays out, then I'll be expecting to see a break above the $1.3 mark, which is a significant high, continue trading within the channel, maybe see a breakout of the channel to the upper side, expect a retest, fully maximize our target areas to the upside in the formation of that wave 3, and even continue breaking through other key areas on the Fibonacci's that is above the 1.16 fib level in the formation of that wave 3. And once we get a high over here, then I'll be terming the high that we make over here as the high for that higher Elliot wave count 3 before we can expect a corrective structure in the formation of that wave 4, and then continue pushing even higher in the formation of that wave 5 to fully maximize an even larger Elliot wave count 3 to the upside, which is giving me the long-term scenarios that I'm expecting to play out. And zooming out so that I can give you the long-term scenarios that I'm expecting to play out, you can see that Polygon Matic, after making its low at around the $0.32 mark, we started a massive bounce to the upside, obeying the Elliot structures, where you can see that I have these Elliot structure in yellow, having the wave 5 making its peak at around the $1.3 mark, and also completing a larger Elliot wave count 1 to the upside. And after seeing the formation of a larger Elliot wave count 1, whatever we expected next is a corrective structure in the formation of a larger ADO 12 count 2, where we also expected to see an ABC corrective structure, which we have seen over here, giving us a low at around the $0.74 mark. And after making that low, that's when we started this bounce to the upside in this move that has been obeying the ADO 12 structures, where we have this ADO 12 structure in yellow, which is a fractal wave within the formation of a larger ADO 12 count 3, and sketching out a minimum target area to the upside in the formation of that wave 3 by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave. That gives me a minimum target area to the upside in the formation of that wave 3 at the fib level 1.618, and that is at around the $2.3241 mark, and that is the minimum that I will expect Polygon Matic to do on the long-term scenarios. And we also need to be aware that in case we continue seeing lower prices, continue losing other key areas of support over here, then there are chances of having an invalidation of this ADO 12 structure that I have right here. And in case such a move plays out, then I'll have to restructure this ADO 12 structure that I have right here and have a different ADO 12 count here on the Polygon Matic chart. So I need to make you aware of such a move in case we continue seeing lower prices, continue losing significant key areas of support, and continue pushing even lower. So let's be patient and see how that plays out. And also taking a look at the indicators here on the RSI, we are trading at around the 43 mark, meaning we have massive room for us to fully support higher prices in the formation of that wave 3, and we also have massive room for us to support lower movements in case such a move continues to play out here on the Polygon Matic chart. Also taking a look at the MACD, we have been able to print a bearish cross, fully supporting lower prices here on the charts. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I'll keep you updated.